Welcome to the Fabled. That's not. Welcome to the Bearded Makersmith. Wait, I'm the Bearded Makersmith. Welcome to my table tour. The frame is made of 4x4 lumber I got from the local home center, and also 2x4s for the runners that hold on the tabletop. I made the tabletop out of 3/4 inch plywood, screwed it to the frame, and then on top of that I glued 1/2 inch plywood. I did that because I wanted the top to be sturdy and attached to the frame, but I also wanted no screw holes or anything on the top. I just wanted it flat surface. On this side I got my brush, sweeping stuff, mallet, malleting things, and then the hammer for, knocking things into other things. So these tools are underneath right here, always at reach because I'm going to be using them quite a bit. Use the saw, my trim router with the plunge attachment, and the sander. Got to have a sander. So this is my favorite area here. We got the speed square, carpenter square. We got a tape measure, utility knife for sharpening those pencils, making marks and stuff like that. We got the 2 types of tapes. Then I got my pliers. I use a lot of rough lumber from the home center. 2x4s, 4x4s, plywood, stuff like that. 2x4s and 4x4s come with a lot of staples. If you've ever used those before, you know what I'm talking about. That's my little pencil area. It's cool. Part of my favorite part of this thing. Pencil, eyeball pencil. See it? See the eyeball pencil? Then you got a pen, other pencils, and your fat markers, not so fat markers. And over here we got all of our guns. So you got a normal screw gun, you got a brad nailer, over here you got impact driver, another screw gun, and then the awesome hot glue gun. You don't need a battery operated hot glue gun, but it is really cool to have. So in the future though, I'm gonna be putting all of these on one of those hangy doohickeys right here. Actually, let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is normally what I have for my screw guns. It's over here, my workbench. They just fit up and right there, up and right there. They fit right up there. Another cool part of the workbench that I incorporated was underneath here, I got my trash can with all the trash in it. And then my shop vac fits underneath there as well. I could have made the top out of 2x4s and done that cool laminate glue up workbench style, but I decided to go with the plywood because for me it was so much easier. I don't have a planer or a joiner, and I can't do that huge glue up because I also don't have clamps. So for me it was so much easier to do it this way. In the future I also want to add the Rockler T-tracks on top so where I can use the different type of clamps, stops, and attachments that they have. Rockler, hit me up. So that's pretty much it. That's my workbench. If you like it, comment below. If you don't, I'd appreciate it if you keep that to yourself, but please subscribe, like, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video. Can you see my gut?